Hello everybody, I'm back again and you all can just start cheering any minute now because I know you probably are thinking, oh my gosh, 3 videos in a row, can't believe it. But I'm going to start working a little bit differently than I was. Hopefully now that I've got everything sort of structured and straightened around. But I've got some things this time. I've got one thing that's from TJ Maxx, and I'll show it and get it out of the way for you. And because I'm going to be using this in my fall tour. I got this at TJ Maxx, and I think it's really pretty. I love this, and I think that it looks so pretty. It wasn't all that expensive at all. It was $12.99, but it was on sale, and I don't remember how much it was on sale, but it's really pretty and I love it. And until I can hang it upside, I'm going to hang it over my mirror there, I think. So until I can do that, I just leave it on the corner of my chair. Now this is all Dollar Tree products, and I got 3 of these bottles, and I think they are just really super pretty. There's big leaves on here, and then there's other things that looks like berries. Of course, they have the corks and everything in it. And then I got one that is just taller, like this, and I think that it will be pretty. I may paint these, I'm not sure, or may leave them clear. I haven't made up my mind yet. But I think they're really pretty. And so I will fix those, good Lord's will. And then I'm fixing a wall. I'm in the process of fixing the wall in my living room. And I had to get some frames for some pictures that I want to put in there. So I got 2 of these 4x6s. And I think that they're really pretty. I like the frames around them, but they're wide. And I will be painting those, though. I'm not going to use them in the silver. And then I got one that was brown. And so I'll be using those hopefully in my on my wall where I'm trying to get it all straightened around. And then I got 4 of these. I had some of these last Christmas, and I had them on my pencil tree, and I really liked them, but I'm going to try to do something else. But I had this project I was going to do with them, and I forgot what it was, if you can believe that. And I'm going to have to try to remember what it was, and hopefully I will remember. But it was really cute, I know that much, but I'm going to try to remember. I got 4 of them, so I have 4 of those. And like I said, I already had some. And then I bought some new brushes because I'm going to be painting those things in my dining room that I was telling you about. And then I'm going to be painting the things that goes on the side of my mirror here. I have to paint those, and my son-in-law already has them sectioned off with tape so that the glass won't get any paint on them, but they're heavy, so he'll have to lift them for me. So I have to wait until he comes back in town to get that done. So I bought 2 more brushes just in case. I had 2, but I bought 2 more. Then I got 4 of these, just in case that I wanted to do some kind of a little winter scene, or if I wanted to just hang them on my tree or whatever I want, you know, just in a wreath, whatever you want. There's so many different things that you can do with those different things. And I keep saying that the mind is all you're limited by. And my mind is getting pretty short. So I'm getting sort of limited. But I got 2 of these. And I'm going to make 2 of the small wreaths. But I'll have to get them all fluffed out and everything, and to where they'll look like something. But until then, they can just stay curled right back up. And I'm going to fix 2 of those. Hopefully I'll get those fixed really pretty. And then I thought that I'd better get me a tape measure and carry it in my purse because I saw a chest the other day, and it's woven out of sort of like a grass product. Oh, I wanted that thing so badly, and I wouldn't buy it because I didn't know if it would fit in any of the cars that we have. So I didn't buy it. So now I'm going to start measuring before I go, and I'll know. And it was gone when I went back to get it. That's always the way it is. If you don't get it when it's there, it's gone. So I bought a tape measure, and I'm going to put that in my purse, and I'm going to carry it, and from then on I won't have an excuse of saying why I didn't get it. So now that concludes the hauls that I had, and hopefully I'll be ready to get to work and show you all what's going on now with all of this stuff that I'm doing. So you guys take care, and hope you're getting along really well and everything's going good for you. And just always remember that I love you, and so does God. Bye-bye.